chocolate you're trialing?
I'm just playing around with a poke, the Hawaiian fish, like raw fish and rice bowl. So I've got 2 chocolate bars. I've been using dried fish, a little bit of toasted sesame and soy sauce and seaweed.
And all of it comes through. It comes through really well.
Yeah. One is with a different type of fish and very strong, and the other one is a little more balanced.
Dried fish?
Yeah. So one has got like a bonito, which is a Japanese cured mackerel used for seasoning. That one is a little overpowering, and then the other one is a local dried fish, little tiny fish that they dry them, and you can eat the bones, but I've trimmed off all the bones, and yeah.
And who do you think this will appeal to?
Well, I mean, one of our specialties is try to do savory chocolates. So we have got currently three curry bars, Thai curry bars. So a peanut curry, a coconut curry, and a khao soi, which is northern Thailand curry. So your average chocolate consumer, it's maybe you'll try it once and it'll be interesting. For your regular chocolate eaters, it's probably not going to be the flavor you eat every time, but our peanut curry is very popular because it's got ginger and a little bit of chilies and peanuts, all things that can go with chocolate already. So we've just kind of combined them in a way that gives you a nice essence of a peanut curry.